Okay, today we're going to practice solving some addition and subtraction problems containing two different units. And the method that we're going to be using for this is a T-chart. So the T-chart is going to organize the problem into the two different units. So the first problem we're going to practice here is 5 feet 4 inches minus 3 feet 7 inches. So the two units that I have here are feet and inches. So on the top of my chart, I'm going to put feet on the left, and I'm going to put inches on the right. Okay, so I have 5 feet 4 inches. So the 5 goes with the feet, the 4 goes in the inches, and I'm going to take away 3 feet 7 inches. Now I need to treat the two separate sides of the chart like two separate problems. So looking at the inches, I cannot take 7 feet away from 4 inches. That's impossible. So I'm going to have to borrow from the feet side. But I'm not going to be borrowing a 10. I'm going to be borrowing the number of inches that are in a foot. So I need to go to the math chart and find the fact for feet and inches. And the fact is 1 foot equals 12 inches. So up above, I'm going to fill in that fact. So 1 foot is 12 inches. So if I want to take 7 inches away from 4 inches, I'm going to go borrow a foot. So I take it from the 5, make that a 4, but when I give it away, I am giving away the 12 inches. So 12 plus 4 is going to make this 16, because I added a whole nother foot, which was 12 inches. So now I can do my subtraction. So 16 minus 7 is 9. So I've got 9 inches. And 4 minus 3 is 1, so that would be 1 foot. So the answer to this problem would be 1 foot 9 inches. So we're going to try another one using the chart. So this problem is going to be gallons and quarts. So I've got 8 gallons, and I want to take away 2 gallons and 3 quarts. So my first unit is the gallon, and my second unit is the quart. Okay, so I put G, you could put GAL for gallon, or I just put a big old G there. Okay, and so I've got 8 gallons, and there are no quarts on that first number. And then I'm taking away 2 gallons and 3 quarts. So I set it up like this. So right now you can see I have 0 quarts up above right now. So I can't take 3 away from nothing. So before I borrow, I'm going to go look my fact up in my chart. My fact is 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. Okay, so when I borrow, because I can't take from the 3 from the 0, so I go next door and I take it, make it, and give it away, I'm giving away the 4. So I'm not just putting a 1 on the front, I'm not giving away a 10, I'm giving away the 4 quarts, so 0 plus 4 makes this a 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So my answer would be 5 gallons and 1 quart. Okay, so normally in real life or on a test, it's going to be a word problem. So we're going to look at an example of what a word problem would look like that we could use this strategy. So Maria is 5 feet 2 inches tall. Her little brother is 8 inches shorter than her. How tall is her little brother? So once again, our unit is feet and inches. Okay, and we've got Maria is 5 feet 2 inches tall, and her brother is 8 inches shorter than her. So this is a subtraction problem. So I can't take the 8 away from the 2. So before I borrow, I have to go get my units. So 1 foot equals 12 inches. Okay, so when I borrow from the feet and I take a foot away, I'm actually giving away the 12 inches. So 12 plus 2 makes this 14. So 14 minus 8 is 6. I've got 6 inches. And 4 minus nothing is 4. So I've got 4 feet. So her little brother must be 4 feet 6 inches tall. So practice using this T-chart strategy to solve the problems that I give you today.